Hello, I'm Philip Samuel, and I'm going to be your Python tutor at AppClick ICT Academy. I will usher you into the world of programming with Python in web automation, bots programming, web development, backend development, Telegram bots, use modules in Python, and every other thing that you can actually do with Python. You have a whole lot of career opportunities to catch with Python programming. Python is used for robotics, Python is used for AI automation, machine learning, deep learning. Python is used for a whole lot of things, including data analysis. And many companies actually are for people who can actually fill in the gap for all this work that I just mentioned. When you come to AppClick ICT Academy, I will open your eyes into the world of programming with Python language. You will learn every other thing you need to do to be a super programmer as in AppClick ICT Academy. I would love to see you in class when you come. Thank you very much.